So this is a complete description of our web application. This is the main website which is shown to the customer. Okay, so here is the login and registration page where a customer can log in. So this needs to be integrated with the database. Then this is the main page. Once a customer goes to a main page, he will be shown some products. Okay, so these products are selected actually from the shop. Here is the shop. So I will explain you from the shop. When he selects the products, the main products should be shown on the featured page. So 5 products here and 5 products in each of these 4 categories. These are 4 categories and each category has 5 products being shown here. Okay, so this is the first page. Then you come to the this is the shop. So once you come to the shop, it has all the products and any product which is new will be added up here. Okay, so image size of each product is 800 pixels by 800 pixels. Okay, this is the standard, so it can be used everywhere. Okay, so each product will have the price range, so a customer can filter out the price range. Here is if it is new or if it is old model. This has to be shown 3 categories. Then there is color. So this is added by the admin panel, and he will select the color of the product in the while he is adding up the product. Okay, so the size of the that product and the tags of this product. Okay, these all comes from the admin panel. Here this should be dynamic so that the admin can add, for example, the main category furniture and the subcategories. So you can add any subcategory, any main category. This should be dynamic. Okay, so if any product from here or main page is selected, it should go to product details page. So this is the product details page. Okay, so 800 by 800 this image size. Okay, this description will be added from the admin side. One is the product name, product description, the color of the product, product size, the price of the product and previous price. So the discounted and the previous price. Okay, this should be dynamic. This is the feature of the product, so customer can add as many as he wants, like the color, the model name, whatever he wants to add he can add up here. These are currently seven features. Okay, we don't need this and this side, this thing, this is comment section, so you can ignore this. The main thing is this feature section. Okay, so once the product is selected, either it can be selected from here or it can be, okay, the products can be added to the cart. Okay, this should be the feature there, that once it is added to the cart from here, it should go to this cart section, and in the cart section all the latest product that are selected should come here, and once it's selected from here, it will come to the payment page. This is the payment page. So the payment page, the person has to add his all details which will go to database, and all his receipts will come here. Okay, so he can select either cash on delivery or through online payment. For the online payment, we will provide you an API which is named as Tab API. Okay, so you have to integrate it with this front page, and once he is done, then he can go for the payment, and his payment will be done online, and all the details will send to the admin. So this is the details of this web application. So main things are login, payment API integration, product addition from the admin panel. So these are the basic. It's not a very difficult web application. Okay, and also this front end, complete front end will be provided to you with the flow. Okay, so you know everything. This is developed in Bootstrap and all the codes will be provided to you. Okay, thank you very much.